up, everyone? Welcome back to Death by Boost. So today I'm gonna take it drifting. Probably gonna suck, but it's gonna be fun. I've already hot lapped it a couple times, didn't do any drifting yet, but I'm gonna go give her a whirl. It's really wet, so they say if we go off the track, we gotta wash her off before we can bring it back on the track, and there's nowhere close to wash them off, so it's gonna be fun. All right, so I'm gonna just take it out on the track, get a feel for this track, and push through some corners and maybe start doing some drifting. I'm gonna get warmed up first. I'm, to be honest, a little bit nervous. It's a tight track and I've never drifted before. I don't know how this thing's gonna behave, but hey, let's go have some fun. Man, I can't do nothing near like that. I ended up mowing their lawn for them. Give the car a little break here, head out for some more fun. It's definitely a little creepy. Never experienced going that fast sideways and trying not to go off the Heck yeah.
Slow motion.
Right? Hell yeah. Make me look like a child.
It's hard. Like,
You've been doing it for a while.
yeah, the first thing you think to do is let off the gas.
Right.
And then as soon as you let off the gas, you straighten or it just snaps you around the other way. You just have to stay in the throttle and go faster than you think.
Right.
The hard part is commitment.
That's awesome.
Like, when I first learned, like, I thought it was easier to learn with tires this slick. So I'd like air them up to 50.
Okay.
Just because everything happens a little slower.
Okay.
You don't have to be going so fast to get the tires going.
That's what I need. Good night.
Pretty much a full run.
That was sick, man.
Oh, I think they both went at the same time.
Yeah. That's awesome.
I mean, those cars are probably going twice as fast as we were.
Really? I was watching you. You're nice and like just graceful, and I was like, that's awesome. I wish I can.
I don't know how long your wheelbase is, but you have to be so smooth with a short wheelbase car like a Miata.
Okay.
Because if you like try to like throw it, they just loop around.
Gotcha. was fun. Took her off-roading. Didn't break nothing, luckily. I think I'm gonna go out for one more run and head home. This is fun though, a ton of people. Definitely a different crowd. I like it. These guys are really cool. Off there, guys. I never thought I was gonna leave drifting bleeding. Hurt my thumb, busted up my elbow. My car took a hell of a lot of abuse.
Is that your YouTube right there?
Yeah.
Death by Boost?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, man. Yeah, check out the mess I made of this thing. This car's paying me back. That's why it hurt me. Mowing the lawn. Not bad when you go out on the track the whole day drifting. Still driving it home, and this thing's a beast. Does pretty well, but it's a mess. I got mud all over the windshield. Never thought I was gonna take this thing off road. That was fun. Thanks for watching, guys.